How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy a Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. So you may be wondering how to actually buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. The process is really simple. So first, open the Trust Wallet app on your device and authenticate yourself. Enter your passcode or use your fingerprint to log in. Now next, you will see a buy button in the center of the screen. Go ahead and simply tap on it. And then search for the Bitcoin BTC, and once you found that, simply tap on it. And from here, you can select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy $150 worth of Bitcoin, you will get around 0.001407 BTC. And if you want to change the currency you are using, simply tap on the flag icon at the top right and select your desired currency. And after that, you will need to choose your payment method. There are various payment options available, including credit card. So click on Pay with Credit Card and tap that arrow. And now you will see different platforms you can use to complete the purchase, such as Transact, Mercuro, Binance Connect, MoonPay, etc. And here, as you can see, each one offers different rates. So choose the payment method that works best for you, but remember to compare the rates first. If you want to use a credit card, click on credit card and then choose either Google Pay, a bank transfer, or your credit card option. And once you have selected your payment method, click on Buy with Credit Card. And this will redirect you to Ramp, where you will follow the steps to complete the payment. And after a few seconds or a minute, your Bitcoin will be deposited into your Trust Wallet. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.